something. When they do something, you say something. When you see the car fresh, you say something. When they wear the heel, you see something else. Come to work together.
I heard for your mom acquire by Poleeno Multimedia. Say, and your first time, subscribe and click the bell notifications. And anytime be a day entertainment news, Rebron, Ubinyan and Tem. Patapaa, aye, Obia, or Tonyo Morgana, Haye, Wahiti ye pa, Mititru no one corner. Na America create only who say, only Bruni fit be a date here, and Nango for doing say, just for the social media trend. But be 2 days ago, and I will release video say enche. Now on the 2nd of January, no, or the Nawarism no ever to ja. Now and go for be so here video. There's still na doubts no ever from empo ne invitation flyer e buy na go for be brain some kind say oh invitation they say our radio be at me e kwete na computer so na we design all the other to social media. And no mo say social media trend. But and on the 2nd January 2021 a Saturday no aware no enya apaso se ohe Patapaa e wife ya wahwe kente kama mami na nyoma ahwene ne nyoma gugugu ne nsane ohe Patapaa so I mean a very nice wedding ceremony abusuafo kakra bi na ide etwa ahia we fie de se ne asante amamrem ne yebeka no efie de anase ye Ghana cultures ni ebeka no nkofo bibiri beka say another onye white wedding ana but they beka no say our titiri no ene efie de no because unya ye fie de ne na otua etrensa ema abusuafo a eno ano na si na question nkofo bibiri so bebuza ne say na Patapaa o wari bruni a o wari no Ghana na abusuafo when
was the wedding?
2nd of January 2021.
2nd
of January.
Of
January 2021.
So Marty, I say 2nd January 2021. Hey, your first month be a mo better Monday or air.
When they do something, you say something. When you see the car fresh, you say something. When they wear the heel, you say something else. Come to work together unless we agree. Hallelujah. Amen. And we thank God for our dear sister. She said, as for her, she will never base on spaghetti and decide on her. And so I'm expecting from my brother. You shouldn't also stand on any common thing and decide otherwise. Because he doesn't take into me. He doesn't take into me. Hallelujah. Amen. Time to work together unless we agree. We need to.
Can you give us your mind?
Obasha physical implement said I mean kasa be fan but nko funa mpo no yeden work.
Yeah.
Because the word putu no. Obasha me hu ni meaning. By the time I started from one corner to school Patumana no. Na ama for se Patapaa me bonya syndrome. Minjumbe mabobia jimindum na ade. So me release her life Adam ko concern with akobwa na me dey AY for you and ko aneda na ya wakaye video no na me release no so my lady timwana mu so panade putu so no dance store artist there nobody putu. Now what is the meaning of putu? Okay, nice one. The one and the bottom tindum bottom wie na yeti ndunu wie no and then no osena wo mo bo mpaye me ba me ka me de na wo bisam se den kasa me ka se tons no wasi nyansan ye den nim nti mpaye na wo bo no putu no. What is the meaning of that putu?
But okay, you to your song, all the words you said, there's nothing memete here. You say capital put your whole kakara
tu pata school patumana Soda kudada, sko patumana, kino disi dada, pak don mana. You see me? So, say what the tones we me my friend tones. And I'm about what's me Kenyans and say because what can what's me around to me then and chilase.
Yeah.
But now I want to know say but just don't go about when we be say now or chile say
ya have for them say nyom na etitwi ntiro wo betimi ene brofo bi obetimi aka
oh brofo ne be kind of rare.
No problem.
Yeah.
You can mix it.
So and I want like I will hear something from Stonebwoy. I say no please I'm coming out with your star.
Yeah.
So like I want us to do one or two things like I want to feature you or that kind of things. So people are waiting for that song. I think on social media we are waiting for the remix then that kind of things. Okay, and I made board time. I'm saying no. How say me yes I start we na Ghana for year or me. Not a whole king. Dance or can obey start we which means me na me best some music na ba high life for no. So on the ba me line no dia. Na just say me ma dia me ye no. Wope.
When him say enuma wo boy English name your friend gibberish. We call it gibberish. What gibberish me spell ya ma. Obeti na spell gibberish na ma.
So what do I spell ready?
Obeti na spell
that mean kita book. Una kita book.
Na spell so I dey kita book and then you spell.
Number cho headmaster on to me cho say ya to meeting. Oh yeah the sex.
Say be pese. Wo onwum na wo ye no. Ye be bo. Sorry. Obato kakra ama nipa wu say ayampa. Wo na ade sa ade ne ba ayampa. E pese wo ye sa free of stand kakra nsa. Na fi ato aso.
Oh. Obibi say ande angede anze angede ngede nana misi mongada mombede nana mombede ngana na mombede ngede nana you see.
Viewers, here is the end of the rare news. Indeed, it's a rare news. We'll be back at the same time Friday 7:30 p.m. and we repeat for you Sunday 7 o'clock. Viewers, before we sign off and we say bye-bye, my name is Akwasi Bwadi Akrobato, aka Who Knows Tomorrow. I'm here with my guy, Patapaa. Patapaa, I want you to do something before we sign off.
I say baby.
Okay, let's go. DJ, give us the music.
Rice. Okay, angede, anze, ambede, ngede, nana, mungede, nana mombede, nana mombede, nisi mungada mungede, nana mombede, ngede, nana mombede, nana mombede, nana no, izumbede, ngombede, ngerado. Okay, kake, amombe nana mungede, zumbena nana zingede, nana yikede, boom, spat, skede, where we fool you, Papa Doctor, skedeke, Papa Doctor, skedeke, ingede, bang. Okay, I say angede, anze, ngede, nana miss mungada mombede, nana mombede, nana mombede, mungede, nana mombede, nana mombede, nana do, zombede, ngombede, kake, amombe nana mombede, zombede, nana yikete, nana nana yikete, boom, spat, skedeke.
Viewers, the end of the red news. Until then, the next week, I say bye-bye. Bye.